I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins at the opening market minute for Thursday, September 11th. Soybeans and corn are both modestly higher, seeing some short covering support while continuing to get ready for Friday's USDA supply, demand, and production numbers. Early expectations are for at least some cut in the average yield numbers from the USDA following the dry finish to the growing season in many areas. Past that, CONAB did put out a bearish corn and soybean production report for Brazil earlier today, raising their estimates on both the corn and soybean crops. They did leave corn exports alone while raising the outlook for soybeans on strong demand from China. New crop export sales on both corn and soybeans were below a week ago. Wheat is down, continuing to keep an eye on planting conditions in the southern U.S. plains and the eastern Midwest for winter wheat, along with the tail end of this year's U.S. spring wheat harvest. Also waiting for those USDA numbers Friday, expecting minor adjustments to ending stocks. Live cattle are mostly lower and feeders are down as traders wait for this week's widespread direct cash cattle business. Have not seen a whole lot of interest yet so far this week, aside from some light trade on Tuesday afternoon. Asking prices today should be refreshed around 243 live and 378 plus dressed. And hogs are mixed, mostly lower. Nearby contracts are up. The third months are down on spread adjustments. China did buy U.S. pork last week. That followed a move by Beijing to increase tariffs on pork imports from the European Union, but overall sales were lower than average. With the opening market minute for Thursday, September 11th, I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins. Stay tuned for this afternoon's update.